Hi, hey guys. Earlier in the day, actually not earlier in the day, a couple days ago, I did an unboxing of the peanut lighters and the tether cord. Hold on 1 second. And the Ouija bar. So here's the Ouija bar and all that stuff. So I'm going to do a review of each one. Hopefully I can stay under 10 minutes. So we'll start with this. This is a great little thing. It's very strong. I don't have any complaints, but this part right here, I don't know what that is. Is it a discoloration from the forging of it? It's not anywhere else on the Ouija bar, just there. So it's either that they didn't polish it completely. I was gonna go and ask County Comm why they did that or how they did that, because I don't think that's on any other videos I've seen. I already did this paracord wrapping. You guys saw that. I got it wet again, so it will shrink. So it's just hanging up. That's what it was doing. So now let's start with the big one. I don't have any complaints with this one, really. I like how they included that little thing. So yeah, this will work every time. If I can strike it though. So you can pull this in and out, and then my hands are a little wet and slippery, so we'll pull it out this way. So here's your little cloth, there's your little screw for the flint, so here, there. So it's basically a Zippo insert. You can throw this in a drawer or something and just use this as a pill container, because it's like some kind of special stainless steel for doctors. They use it and stuff like that. But on the Ouija bar, I thought I said this, but it said it's a U.S. government contract on it. If you guys didn't see that video, go back to it, because it said U.S. government something. So they have a contract, though. See? Works every time. You could throw this in like a drawer or something and go back like a month later. Because it's airtight, the fuel will not be lost. So let's go with this now. This is even smaller. So here's that one. Actually, let me screw this back on. So here's this compared to that. Very much smaller. You can take them off, and it's still smaller. Even the cap's smaller. It's very small. Can you interchange these? Yes, you can interchange these, I think. No, you cannot. But only one work. This one I have a couple of complaints about. The wheel is stiff. See, it takes a lot of force to do that. Sometimes it won't even light, or sometimes it'll catch like that. So I don't know if they can fix that. And this one doesn't light every time. I don't know why. But I'm having some issues with this one. But there's a little flame. But these, you can either blow them out. So here. So you can blow them out like that. Or you can set them down on the table very carefully. And you basically take the air out. See, but with this little one though, it gets hot very quickly. This one takes a little time to get hot before. How much time do I have left? Okay, I'm doing pretty good on time. So, I like them both. I think they're very well designed. This one's just a little sticky. If they could fix it somehow, I'm gonna email customer service, see what they say. This is pretty good. And then these cord tips. They're amazing. I love them. But the thing is when they close, they don't close all the way. And I just didn't trust it, so I super glued it a little bit. You see that on that side? So they don't close all the way, and I could pop it open easily. So I just closed it with some super glue, There's the open one. Okay, now the last one is this. Right now on YouTube it looks like it's a big roll, right? Well, it's not. It's actually really, really small. Exactly, I don't know, I don't have a ruler. Exactly, here's a TV remote compared to it. Or my iPhone compared to it. You guys know what the size of an iPhone is? A little bit bigger. Very thin cord. And it still has those 2 layers. So, let's cut a little bit off and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So, right here inside you have a white strand. See if I can get it though. Hold on. Wait for it. Oh. So you have a little white strand, which this is a bunch of strands wired together. See? They're all fraying. And then this is an outer jacket. So I'll show you guys really quick with the split pea. So you just melt them over the fire a little bit. And there you go. And you could just use a bunch of stuff with this. How hot. So that's basically it. I like it. Let's see what happens when hey, thing actually burns. But it's really good. Just remember that it's smaller than it looks. I don't know what the breaking strength is, but you know what? I think it's pretty good. Breaking strength. This is very tough cord. Very, very tough. And the other ones are 550 paracord. That comes in like a like, have you ever seen an extension cord rolled up when it comes like that? It's just in a plastic bag. It gets very tangled very fast. So maybe if they put in a spool like this, it'd help it so much. And that's basically my suggestions for them. And you could just put this back like this. Where's the other one? So that's basically it. I do like that they put it on a spool though. That helps me so much with my 550 paracord. That absolutely stinks because it's always like that. But that's basically it. I'll probably do a video on how to replace these flints. Or I also just did a video of wrapping this. And now I'm doing this video. So we'll see what happens. So I'll email them tonight, see what they say about the discoloration on there. And I'll get back to you and see what they also say about my recommendations on the split pea. Which, to fix that, I would either go with a bigger flint wheel where you can get your finger on it, because just like that, or maybe the side's textured, so you can hold on to it. But it's a great emergency lighter. You can hollow out your shoe and throw this in your pocket of your shoe or something like that. You can throw it in a bag and forget about it. You can throw it in a car. It will stay with fuel all the time. Guarantee it. So, also, these have a flat bottom. Some of them have a round bottom, like their old ones, I guess, had a round bottom. So you can stand these both up. I'll show you guys the flame. I think I have a minute left. So, the cap, this was just easy. One like that, and that was a little harder. So there's them with the flame. Here's the caps for them. The cap is actually about the size of the peanut lighter. That's basically it. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you.